Well, good morning. It is kind of a cool morning out there. Upper 50s now as you look at our Syntex Roof Systems camera in Harker Heights. Looks like things are rolling smoothly in Bell County here today. The live radar network not picking up any showers now, but it's not out of the question that we could see an isolated thunderstorm later on this afternoon. Lower 50s in Waco now, upper 50s Marlin, Killeen, and Temple, low 60s in Bryan College Station. Again, that wind very light right now, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, trying to turn around to the south. And while that will bring up the humidity slightly, it will combine with drier air in the lower to mid levels of the atmosphere to really heat things up. In fact, I do expect numbers to get into the lower 90s this afternoon. And again, that's when we could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm try to develop. You can see Future Track trying to throw a couple of green specks on there. While I think the threat is very low with this, if anything can get going, the atmosphere below these storms is going to be very dry. And so as a result, gusty winds will be the main threat with anything that could get going later on this afternoon. Now, as we get into tomorrow, we'll actually see high cloud cover work in and maybe a couple showers possible tomorrow as our next disturbance gets closer to us. Models aren't great with shower and thunderstorm activity right now. By Thursday, though, I think that's when we'll see some of our better chances of rain as a little system moves over. Now, Future Track does not show much going on, and part of the reason is because that system we've been tracking, and I told you about this yesterday, is trying to wiggle a little further south. That's going to take the bulk of the energy south of us, and while we'll have enough energy around to get some scattered showers and thunderstorms, the bulk of the rainfall will, as a result, end up further south as a surface low tries to develop down along the coast. That kind of shuts us off from the deep Gulf moisture that could work in. Meanwhile, we'll still have the potential for some 1 to 2 inch rainfall amounts if we can get showers and thunderstorms going here, especially Thursday and Friday. But the bulk of that, again, missing us to the south, unfortunately. Hopefully that trend does not continue and it wiggles a little further north. We can get some more beneficial rain in here. But thankfully, at least, we're getting some of the best rain chances we've had in a while. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible here Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, that 60 to 50% chance of storms. And I think with the extra cloud cover, we'll struggle to make it out of the upper 60s, lower 70s. Mid-80s built in for the weekend, and it is going to be breezy, but then it looks like it cools down early next week, taking us down into the 70s. In the Brazos Valley, more of the same. Think your rain chance is going to be higher Thursday and Friday, especially with numbers hanging around in the mid-80s for the weekend. And again, a cool down coming in here as we get into early next week. With that next cold front, you may see an isolated thunderstorm triggered late Sunday.
That's our news for tonight. Stay tuned for Johnny Carson. His guest is Emmanuel Lewis.
Thanks for watching.
Good night. 40 years.